breakfast.
Hello, hello. We are here in Lezzet Restaurant
This is how you do
and
it.
having
Honey and butter.
Turkish breakfast with my two friends, Roma and Jenny. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
You're honey. You're honey.
Over the hills and far from her, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. Over the hills and far from her, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Only you.
Yeah, that one is.
That's all.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Morning, good food, good company with internation. Dubai brand.
Yes. What about you?
This is my, at my age 39, this is my very first different breakfast.
So, what is your experience having Turkish breakfast, Jen?
Your experience.
My experience is, this is same like food in the house, but the ambience is different.
And the presentation is nice.
Yeah. And I'm having breakfast with, I don't know which nationality.
International.
Internations.
Thank
Different
you.
nationalities.
What is your experience having Turkish breakfast?
This is not the first time for us. Yeah. good food. We will make this at home every day. Turkish breakfast every day. French breakfast every day. Why not? Coconut. Yung pinagkaiba. Naglolo ko lang tayo. Inimay. Kaya alam mo na ngayon.
Actually today we came to experience Turkish breakfast to Lezzet Restaurant, and it was very healthy, tasty breakfast. And now we are here in Laguna Beach enjoying the sun. Laguna is at Jumeirah with modern, upbeat and vibrant descriptions that best suit this spot. Every establishment is dressed to complement the stylized setting. Walls are painted with artworks and restaurants are usually designed with outdoor seating area. It's a great place to stay if you want to chill by Laguna Beach, have a relaxing brunch or have some drinks. Very nice place for walking, swimming and working. You can have a sunbath and working with your laptop on the terrace with a cup of iced tea, cup of tea, juice, whatever. Wi-Fi facilities are available and it is good. Laguna is one of the recently developed hot spot in Dubai by Meeras Group. The entire setup looks like a holiday village on a beach. There is something for everyone. There are a number of restaurants, few bars, shopping, children play area, water park and a beach with all the facilities.
Sometimes you need to go.
Wow, coconut. There are 2 coconut trees with flowers. This is my first time I have seen coconut in Dubai. Wow.
From a distance you can tell.
It is maintained well, very clean, no trash at all. Whether you are single, couple or family, this is the place for you. Worth visiting.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
lots of fun. Yes, this is beautiful Jumeirah area. We are heading to Satwa and then Sheikh Zayed Road and then home, back to home. On our way to home, I will explain some special places, special things. AC bus stop in Dubai. Ladies only taxi. Ladies driving. Pink. RTA pink taxi. The driver, lady, female driver. Yes, if somebody need female driver, taxi with female driver, you can request pink taxi, RTA. Building in Sato, Sheikh Zayed Road.
Oh, diyan kami nagpunta. Ni ate sa massage.
Okay, fine. Run 100. Okay. I'm only 60. I can run 80 also. Nobody's behind me. Take video that side.
No, that side is not clear because of the sun.
Oh. See, take video of the unfinished building, and then after, the next time you pass, you will see it finished. Then you will be amazed how beautiful it is. Then you have a history. I have so many of that. Unfinished, then now it's finished.
Please comment, like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.